The state releases new documents building its case against a former Katie's Kids daycare van driver who is accused of leaving a child to die in a hot van. Tonight, the facts released point to why this driver is charged with aggravated manslaughter. But as Contact 5 investigator Katie Lagrone explains, this case may not be so black and white. Katie?
Kelly, bus logs clearly show how 32-year-old Amanda Inman manually checked the box indicating little Haley got off the bus that morning. But her attorney tells us there's no way Inman is guilty of this crime.
Hundreds of documents, nearly a dozen reports from police, paramedics, and investigators all detail how 2.5-year-old Haley Brockington died in the back seat of a daycare van on a hot August day. According to evidence released by the state attorney's office today, when paramedics arrived at Katie's Kids in Delray Beach, Haley, once a healthy 27-pound toddler, was pulseless, her young skin hot and dry to touch. After examining the evidence, prosecutors say the driver of that van, 32-year-old Amanda Inman, is responsible. Bus logs even show how Inman manually checked off that Haley got in the bus and out of the bus that morning.
That's what she was told to do.
But Inman's attorney, Andrew DeGraffenreich, says his client can't be the culprit in this tragedy. He points to documents recently released by the county health department that show how the daycare director at the time, Petra Rodriguez, didn't train Inman on the daycare's transportation rules and policies. Inman had been on the job for 14 days.
It's kind of difficult to throw somebody under the bus when they're not even aware of what the requirements are.
DeGraffenreich also says other logs show how the director considered the second employee to verify the children were off the bus didn't and lied on bus logs.
The problem is the regulations were in place. The training and the people were not.
Amanda Inman is not working. Her attorney says she's still agonizing over the death. He describes her as a caretaker, someone who looked after his own mother-in-law before she died.
What is your client guilty of?
Being human and making a mistake, which is not guilty of, is committing a crime.
Amanda Inman's next court date is Monday morning. She remains the only person in this case facing criminal charges. Katie Lagrone, WPTV News Channel 5.